chose Rediwall for this project mainly because my training has been as a commercial block layer, form worker and builder for the last 30 odd years. So we think in this medium. So concrete and monolithic walls represent strength, they represent speed and value. This project is completely built with Rediwall. Everything from the base, the walls, the load-bearing internal walls, the first floor walls, cantilevered retaining walls, stairway walls, sala. For this project, for my friend Rob, was a minimalist house. He's very particular, he's very pedantic, he's used to seeing and having exquisite things. We wanted a product that was easy to use, that could be grasped by people who hadn't used it before. The Rediwall, they simply went in with ease. People found the ability to just slide and snap these panels in, and 4's a metre. So when you turn around and you've done 8-10 metres in half an hour with the system and 2 boys coming along bracing it off behind you, they love how it's Lego-like and clicks together, and that's the thing. If anyone's played with Lego blocks, these are just grown-up Legos. We used 6 people to install, and we had the whole ground floor done in 4 days. That's braced and ready for core fill. I ran block layers for 30 years. You'd need 15 to 20 block layers and labourers to achieve the same square meterage. Rediwall has another standout technology to us, which is their new corner. It has the slide-out cassette external panels on both walls. So we can simply start with the internal corner and we can run a gang of installers one way and a gang of installers the other. And then at any time we can install the steel. Rediwall is very easy to core fill. It's very easy to look down and sight that you're physically getting a good solid wall. With blockwork, typically you can't see more than 5 or 6 courses. You don't know really, only if it's bleeding out at the bottom eventually. At first you think, well, I know I can get blocks for $2.50 each and there's 12.5 a square metre, so it's cheaper. And I go, wonderful. How are you going to match that price? But it was put to me, the wastage. We don't have any wastage, very little. We use all our wastage up in the walls. We don't have to pay for bins to dump blocks. We don't have to hose out and clean up. We don't have to buy sand and cement. All the labour to clean up, remove this and pay to have it removed is a real cost, and it must be divided by the square meterage return and outlay. And once you do that, there's no way you're going to go back. Have a go and look at it, do your maths, come and talk to somebody who's used it. I'm happy to talk to anybody about it.